Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide a column in Power BI for table visuals. This is incredibly useful when you want to control which data columns are visible in your reports without permanently removing them from your dataset. First, open your Power BI desktop application and get ready to work with your data model. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on Modeling. This tab contains all the tools you need to structure and customize how your data behaves in your reports. Next, click on New Parameter, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Fields. This is where you'll create a dynamic parameter that controls which columns show up in your table visual. It's a powerful feature that gives you flexibility in managing your data display. Now you'll see a dialog box where you need to input a name for your parameter. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your project so you can easily identify it later. After naming it, look for the Fields section within this dialog. Click on it and select your data source. For example, if you're working with an Excel file, you might choose Sheet 1 as your source. Once you've selected your data source, you'll see a list of available data fields. Go ahead and select the columns you want to include in your parameter. For instance, you might choose country, gross sales, profit, sale price, and sales. These are the fields that will be controllable through your parameter. After making your selections, click Create to finalize the parameter. Now take a look at the right side of your screen. You should see the parameter you just created listed there. This parameter is now ready to be used in your visualizations. Next, navigate to the visualization pane and click on the table icon to add a table visual to your report canvas. With your table visual selected, go back to the right side of the screen where your parameter is located. Click on it and drag it directly into the columns section of your table. This action populates your table with all the fields you included in the parameter. Now let's say you want to hide a specific column, for example, sale price. On the right side of your screen, click on Filters. This opens up the filtering options for your visual. Scroll down until you find sale price in the list. You'll notice there's a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck that box to hide the sale price column from your table visual. Finally, drag your parameter to the filter on this page section. This ensures that your filtering settings apply consistently across the entire page. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a column in your Power BI table visual while keeping the data available for other uses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.